When we go. No, no. Do you want to take pictures? That requires me to look. But Mommy, is he friends with the zombie?
Welcome to SCREAMline HAUNTED. All of your car wash nightmares become a new permanent reality.
He has a job.
It is important to note to put your vehicle in neutral once you pull into the car wash. And for God's sakes, keep your foot off of the brake. Also, make sure you turn your windshield wipers to the off position.
That's gonna block half our view. Look! A regular person! I'm scared! It's a regular person! It's a regular person! Hey, there's an actor!
Oh my God, this broken hand. Oh, no, he's coming.
He's on your side.